Welcome to the grand launch of the NewResearchForum website. Join us in this exciting journey as we bring together research scholars, experts, and enthusiasts from around the globe. Our platform is dedicated to advancing knowledge and collaboration. Upcoming presentations: immerse yourself in cutting-edge research as renowned scholars present their latest findings and innovations. From breakthrough discoveries to groundbreaking theories, these presentations promise to ignite intellectual curiosity and inspire collaboration. Group discussions: engage in dynamic group discussions that span across diverse disciplines. Exchange ideas, challenge perspectives, and explore the possibilities of interdisciplinary collaboration. Our platform is designed to be a melting pot of ideas where innovation thrives through the synergy of different minds. Knowledge sharing: harness the power of collective intelligence as researchers share their expertise and experiences. Explore knowledge through interactive sessions, workshops, and Q&A sessions. Whether you are a seasoned researcher or a budding enthusiast, there's something for everyone to learn and share. Collaborative opportunities: discover avenues for collaboration that transcend geographical boundaries. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for advancing research. NewResearchForum is not just a website, it's a hub for forging meaningful connections and partnerships. Spread the word, invite your colleagues, friends, and fellow researchers to be part of this milestone event. Together, let's build a global community where the exchange of ideas knows no boundaries. Stay tuned for further updates on the schedule, speakers, and registration details. Visit our website www.newresearchforum.co.in for the latest information.